Yeah, that's actually a good way to put this. But anyways, like, just having some fun. You gotta have fun, right? Okay, yeah, that's better. Alright, so welcome to dailyRish video day 22. Right? This is the 22nd video in the dailyRish series. If you have not checked out the dailyRish series, you're missing on a lot because I'm actually sharing my step-by-step progress towards launching my next private label brand, which I'm actually going to be launching on Amazon, and then I'm going to take that brand off Amazon and build my brand outside of it, build the business's backbone outside the universe of Amazon, so that I'm my own boss. Anyways, yeah, that was it. I hope you checked out my yesterday's video. That was again about Hazmat. Also, I am going to start recording and logging my calls with Amazon. So that is the next new series that I'm starting. It is something that you do not see on YouTube at all. I don't think anybody on YouTube, like in the entire goddamn planet, is logging their Amazon calls on YouTube to showcase and help people understand how do you deal with Amazon, how do you talk with Amazon seller support team, what are the secret terms that I use to kind of get ahead in the queue, what are the tactics I have under my hood to accelerate my case and get quick responses from the internal team, not the first level seller support team. So there are many things that I've learned in the last 2 years since I've been selling on Amazon, because I've had a lot of ups and downs, and the only way I kind of deal with those things is like getting behind Amazon, getting on calls, getting behind them on emails, and actually forcing them to kind of fix the issues that are wrong and that can be fixed. All right, so anyways, so today's video is actually about a mistake. Okay, so I'm not like bulletproof. I also do a lot of mistakes, and I think what has kind of made me stand out in front of a lot of people on YouTube and on groups in Facebook is that I always share my ups as well as my downs. I also tell you when I have zero sales. Okay, in the months I have zero sales, I've shared that with you. When I have $10,000 days, I also share that. When I have $5,000 marks, I also share that. But when I don't sell straight up for 5 months, I also share that. So that is what kind of keeps me unique and different, I believe. And I'm also kind of giving this out, so you know, challenge me away if you want, but doesn't matter. So today I'm going to be talking about one of the mistakes which is kind of put me in a bad spot in terms of the timeline. So from 18th of January till the next month, about 15th or 20th of February, China is actually going to be on leave because they have a Chinese New Year coming up, which means your suppliers, your freight forwarders, and everybody you talk to and deal with China who is a Chinese native is not going to be working. So the problem that I'm facing right now is that I don't have the FNSKU code for one of my products because I couldn't convert it to FBA yet, because Amazon is kind of stuck reviewing that product under Hazmat review because of some of the mistakes which I did share in the previous video. All right, which I actually just shared on the first seller support call log video that I'm going to be posting next on this channel. So subscribe to kind of get the idea about what were the information bits that I had shared in that video. So I'll be posting that probably in some time, because that requires a bit of edit to just remove the business critical words, but otherwise it's going to be a complete start till the end call that I have. So yeah, I should have persuaded Amazon aggressively, but because I'm actually trying to build something different, okay, I removed my board, but yeah, I'm trying to work on something super interesting. Let me show you right now. All right, so that is the plan. Wow, I cannot zoom. Interesting. Anyways, that chart that you just saw has the plan for this month. So I'm doing something interesting which is non-e-commerce based, 2 projects this month, and along with that I'm also like just kind of trying to launch these 2 products, and these products would actually be shipped by ocean, so they would be kind of live next month, and I'm not really in a rush because I already have my plate full in terms of the time that I have in a day. Plus I have like 6 days of family holiday coming this month, so I have to kind of balance it out and not miss the targets for January that I have set. So yeah, that was the mistake. Follow aggressively with Amazon. Always try to get your FNSKU code as soon as possible after you create your listing. Don't fuck that up like I did. Anyways, so that was the 2-cent information and one of the mistakes that is happening in present day that I'm telling you guys. So yeah, just for that, hit that thumbs up, because this is utter honesty and nothing else. Alright then, I will see you in the dailyRish series video 23, hopefully very soon, once I have the FNSKU code. Until then, I have to eat something because I've been working from 1 a.m. up until this moment, and it is 8:45 right now. So yeah, I've been working really hard. I should eat something nice. Right then, I'll see you later.